Eat them. Oh, okay, I'm not getting near him. He's literally so mad. This is what hot Cheetos do to people. Okay.
Can I have some, please? Let me have it! Let me have it!
Leo! 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 Leo!
Have you got on him? Why are you growling?
What do you guys got going on over here? What? I feel like I just walked in on something.
Fucking evil, this thing. Look at its teeth, man.
He's like actually petting him.
Videotaping.
爸爸回来。
闹闹在欺负小宝的闹闹。
Leave it. Leave it.
Baby. Mean. Mean dog. He's so mean.
I saw put on the name that you had a dog. There you go. Where's that one?
What?
What's the matter? Why are you angry with me? Why? What have I done?
You do it again, you're gonna get spankings. You hear me? Okay, go on.
Good, right? Becky, I want you to listen. Give you
собака. А ёб твою мать. Собака, давай.
You can do it. Come on, C's. Up. Up. You're okay. You're okay, Bubba's. Do you need me to carry you? Oh my God, C's. Okay, hold on. Is that better? You're ridiculous.
Hey, go! Get out of the way! Hey! Ah!
Dude.
I watched him do it.
Someone just cheated our front door. What
I watched him do it.
Go fuckers.
Sandwiches? Sparrow? Sausages? Fetch!
What are you doing, baby? Oh, bless you. Bless you.
What have you done? What have you done? Lori. Oh. Oh, you're not. Oh my God.
Online privacy protection. I'm free.
Casey, are you hiding from mommy? Are you hiding from mommy?
Taylor. He's gonna lose. Oh.
Por acá, más fácil.
Ahí, cabrón. Mira nomás. Mira.
What did you do, Aries? Aries.
Reg!
Oh! It's you! I found you!
Whoa.
And I think he's got the zooms now. Oh, look, dirt on the stairs.
Another reason, I think you'll stay sucked in just a little bit. The ring just break up into the
Let me see. Let me see. You broke your nail.
Ow! That hurt. No.
But I think the only way to have a lasting relationship is you have to get really good at forgiving each other.
No!
Where's she going?
Scout?
No, 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 no,
Oh, yeah.
You should be medicated. F you, Brennan. I know you touched my drum set, and I want to hear that dirty little mouth admit it.
You get out of my face, or I'm gonna roundhouse your ass.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Please. Pasta. Potato. Tomato. Broccoli. Oklahoma. Okay.
I don't think God put me on this earth to work hard. I think God put me on this earth to be an excellent vibe.
She went in the room.
No le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mano! ¡Con mi mano! Pues es...
I love you. I love you.
This is my view.